Wagwan people, welcome back to my channel. So this is a simple Jamaican breakfast that is mostly prepared on the weekend, whether it's on a Saturday or on a Sunday. So I am preparing roasted breadfruit, and I am gonna peel the roasted breadfruit and then cut it into slices and then prepare it with ackee and saltfish and few slices of ripe plantain. Now for the roast breadfruit, I only use the yellow heart, and I like when my breadfruit is slightly ripened. So I cut some slashes at the bottom of the breadfruit and the top as well, and this is to drain the stain. In Jamaica, a lot of Jamaicans roast the breadfruit either in a coal stove or on a wood fire. I use a coal stove sometimes to roast the breadfruit, but for this tutorial, I am roasting the breadfruit on a stove top because I am feeling lazy. I can't bother to use a coal stove outside. So the first thing I do is to turn the breadfruit stem down, and that section is called the heart, and that's where most of the stains are located. And I am going to roast that area for 20 minutes. Then I am going to turn the breadfruit and roast another area for 15 minutes. So you'll see what I'm talking about. I am roasting the breadfruit on medium low heat. Breadfruit finish roasting, so I place the roasted breadfruit into a kitchen sink, and then I use a small amount of water just to wet the breadfruit so that the breadfruit can easily peel, and then I set aside to let it cool. I'm going to boil the saltfish for 5 minutes to remove the excess salt. So to cook the ackee, I put a pot with about 2 cups of water, added a little bit of salt, cover the pot and bring the water to a boil. And then I added the frozen ackees to cook until they become soft. And this breakfast is not for me because I do not eat ackee. Ackee is from West Africa, by the way, and ackee and saltfish is our national dish of Jamaica. So the ackee is cooked. Yeah, man, so now I am going to strain off the water. now I am gonna fry few slices of ripe plantain, and I am gonna fry the breadfruit slices as well at the same time. Yeah, man. So this is a typical weekend breakfast for many Jamaicans who live in Jamaica, especially now that we are in the breadfruit season. So, a lot of breadfruit will be roasting. Yeah, man, but only the yellow heart. And some of the breadfruit slices are fried and some are not. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and click the post notification bell.